My salesperson, Eric, was amazing. I am employed in a field where I deal with salespeople quite frequently, and one of my pet peeves is when they blow smoke up my skirt. Eric did not do that. He presented the information, he presented the product, and then he allowed me to make my decision based on my needs and not his.
And he also presented all the scientific reality about why we have groundwater coming into the basement, which we didn't necessarily understand prior to meeting him.
Guys that came in, the crew that came in, were incredibly professional, very efficient. They did the job, they cleaned up after themselves, they definitely shared with us along the process what they were doing, how they were doing it, what we would need to do after the fact in terms of filtration and electricians and things like that.
And the other thing that I thought was very interesting is that we got exactly what we thought we were going to get.
The final product was actually, for me, better than I anticipated. The basement is amazing. I have another space in my home that I can utilize now.
Everybody was trustworthy and did a great job, and it looks wonderful.
How it all turned out for us, I would have absolutely no problem referring them.